So I wanted to give a quick demo of what I've got here. Um, with Gives the ability to control, in this case, a live well on my Sea Arc boat that's tiller steer. And so I wanted to demo something I've been working on for quite a while. This is version 3 of the board that I'm ready to put out in the wild, either this version or version 4. So let me tell you what I've got here. So I've got the watch here with the app on it. I'll get that going in a minute here. This is the PCB board that I've designed with a microcontroller on it that allows me to do everything that I'm about to explain. And then I've just got pretty much a regular 800 gallon per minute pump that pulls about 5 amps. And then I've got my power supply here that is set to 12 volts. You'll see that when I turn it on. But the way this works, I wanted to demo the app that I have on my watch. It can also work on the phone as well. And so, kind of awkward to do this through the camera, but I'm going to try it anyway. So the way it works is there is on this Apple Watch, there is an app that I wrote that redfish icon is how I access it. So I'll start that up. And then what's happening here is it's searching for connection to the control here for the Livewell. And so I will power it up here with my power supply. And it went away. Let me do that again so you guys can see it. So it's scanning for it. I'll turn it on, and it finds it. And the current state that it starts up in is off, of course. And so since this is a watch, this is it's not just Bluetooth, but it's Bluetooth low energy. And so the way this thing works is it drops the connection when the device that you're accessing, in this case, to control to control the live well, when the watch goes into sleep mode, it drops the connection to the control panel or to the control board to save on battery power on the watch. So that's the idea behind that. So the controls here, you've got the on and off time, or excuse me, the on and off control here. That's that slider is the on and off, turns the actual motor and the control on and off. And then you've got the on and off time here on the second row. The third row here is the, let me explain that again. The second row is the on time in 10-second increments. So you can control it. You can turn it on for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or 30 seconds. And then the third row here is for the off time. Same deal. You control it in 10-second increments, 10, 20, and 30. So you just click on the plus there to change it. And so for the demo here, I'm going to do it at 10 seconds so you can hear it turn on and off. But I've got... let's see. So the watch here, the control board, and then the pump. That's kind of what's going to be demoed here. And so I'll turn this guy on. You can see the pump. Hear the pump turning on. You got LED indicators there to let you know that the relay switch is working and that the control connection from the microcontroller is working as well. And so it'll alternate. Every on and off every 10 seconds, and then let me get the app back. The watch is requiring me to authenticate because I don't have it on my arm. Go back to the app here. Come on. And so the green numbers means that it's on. This is the on cycle. The red numbers mean that it's in the off cycle. So it'll alternate between that. So you kind of know when it's getting ready to turn off and when it's getting ready to turn on. So, and again, that the timing on those is controllable through the on time and off time adjustments there. And so what I'm looking for is to partner with some folks, one or two people, to help me test this out in the wild. It works fine for me. In my Sea Arc, it kept bait fish alive just fine in the summer and August months while I was down in Mount Pleasant fishing, and it did not run my battery down at all. The boat battery, it allowed to conserve. I think it conserves battery power very well with it turning on and off like that. But anyway, the benefit here is you don't have to have a center console or a console control panel to install a switch on. The idea is that I'll expand this board to also control navigation, control bilge pumps, or anything that you can need to control or monitor on the boat. So anyway, that's a demo of how it works. If you have any questions and would like to help test this thing out, just send me an email. I have my link to my email or my email account in the post that I put out there. Thanks, guys.